time, we're going to bring our Friday night house team. They are here every single Friday, and hopefully you can be here every single Friday to watch them. Please give a big round of applause for Seagull-related fish fight! Yeah!
Hello, everyone. We are Seagull-related fish fight. And we are here every Friday night. First of all, give it up again for Mother Doll, please. So, to get us started, all we need is a single word from the audience.
Compass.
Compass. Compass.
We zoom in on a ship's wheel. It's one of the really, really big ones. It's like taller than any person that you couldn't even grab with your hands on either side.
There's two detached skeleton hands on two of the nubs. There's two skeleton hands.
On the two skeleton hands are two skeletal parrots.
The skeletal parrots have tiny tiaras.
The wheel itself has a plaque engraved on the back of it that says Captain Archibald.
Okay. No? I was just saying the wheel's made of wood. Mostly, with the brass pieces sticking out, and the wood has tons of like teeth marks in it all the way around.
They are not human teeth marks.
No.
Hey Tina, I've been looking around the boat.
Yeah, Gary, what's up? What are you looking at?
There's a lot of sharks outside.
Oh, you mean around the boat? You meant outside. I thought you meant around inside the boat.
I meant around outside of the boat.
Oh, yeah. I've been dropping meat.
You just been dropping meat?
Well, I'm a vegetarian, and I was very insulted that you brought meat onto the boat, so I've just been throwing like steaks and hamburgers and hot dogs and various other meat sort of things overboard.
There's no reason to be insulted, Gary. The cow's already dead.
Well, that makes it worse.
How?
Why'd you have to kill a cow?
Look,
Couldn't you just buy a steak?
that cow looked at me funny. And when we get back on land, I'm gonna do it again. That's right. Any cow that looks at me funny. You're asking for it. This whole field is asking.
I don't know. I haven't seen Marty in days.
I don't know. He was over chewing grass in the other corner.
Good work. Not
Weird
looking at
guy.
me funny. Now you're looking at me funny. Okay.
Who?
Here, take a cigarette. Take one for your friend. He's eventually gonna look at me funny.
Hey, new cow. Hey. Take a look at that guy. Keep staring. He loves it. You get extra hay.
Look funnier at him.
Okay. Stick your tongue out at him.
This guy's looking at me in an odd, strange way, but not yet funny.
Funnier, new guy.
I'm going in.
Man, give us a second.
Look at me.
I'm not gonna do it.
Look at me.
I'm not gonna do it.
Look at me funny.
Oh God!
That was odd and strange. Hey, over here.
Now I got all the hay.
Two's my limit. You can look at me however you want.
I love you. Ooh.
Well, now we have no cows.
Just shark cows.
Hey! Hey!
That's funny.
That shark just moved? Good thing you're under the water.
You're not gonna kill them?
No. I'm gonna change my ways.
What?
I've been drinking salt water.
I told you not to.
Slowly going crazy. Maybe I'll eventually become a vegetarian too.
No, it's horrible.
Just a freaky vegetarian. Out in the ocean. Eating old lettuce.
We zoom in on the lettuce inside his stomach.
Some of it's kind of rotted and brown, but some of it's still green and pristine.
We see 2 beetle legs.
Wait a minute, there's a cherry tomato.
Oh,
Oh,
will you be dining with me?
yeah. Yeah, we're going together.
Family style. Oh,
Okay.
Utah is so
Is
pretty.
a big fucking bowl of pasta.
Oh.
Hey, here's a big old piece of chicken.
Oh,
Oh, I don't know that we could eat that.
You want grated cheese?
I'm lactose.
How about some black pepper?
Oh, that's a lot of food for just 2 people.
Hey! What are you two Manjoli's doing? You don't bring out the pasta chicken before the salad? Here's an order.
Who you calling a Manjoli?
I'll call you a Manjoli, you Manjoli.
Hey, who are you calling a Bon Jovi, huh?
Both of you Manjolis.
Bon Jovi hasn't had a hit.
I don't know, Richie. We haven't had a hit in a long time.
I know. Jeez. I don't know. This rhyming stuff is difficult. Everything's gonna sound like something else.
Living on a stare, living on a scare, living on it. Never.
Living in our underwear.
The meter's off.
No, I parked in the garage.
Sambora, I'm gonna kick you to the curb one of these days. Meter or not.
I
I don't know where my New Jersey accent came from.
I'm just kidding you. I'm just funning with you there. Come on, John. You're the writer. I just do music.
Oh, John, it's your life.
I gotta go.
What? I didn't even get your neck hair! Get myself a trim.
No, I'm the lead singer in the band Smash Mouth, and I just we're looking for our big breakout hit.
You need a good cut first. Be a flat top on the top, and then a bunch of fishtails on the bottom.
That's the look I want associated with me forever.
I want to get my ruler. It's in my toolbox. You want a can of soda?
Yes, yeah, sure. I'd love a can of
hold
soda.
on,
Thank you.
hold on.
All right. Diet if possible.
What was that?
Diet if possible.
I got Diet Grape.
Oh, ow.
So which musician are you?
I'm the lead singer of Smash Mouth.
I don't know.
We're new. This is really good. I thought, hey now, you
I can't sit down.
You can't sit down.
You guys are still pissed, huh?
I can't even sit down.
I can't stand up.
I told you, it's easier to play table tennis with one person versus two. You guys are so pissed.
We zoom in on an ornate championship belt.
In the middle of the belt is an actual ping pong ball with 2 eyes and a little smiley face on it.
There's 2 nameplates, and one is professionally made and says Richie, and the other one is just masking tape, and it also reads Richie.
Some of the gold is actually flaking off the bottom of the belt, and just like hanging in like a skin layer. Look.
I'm hoping this is my shot.
Dad, it's college wrestling. It's just a volunteer ref spot. You're never gonna make it to the big times.
No, I can do it. I can do it. I'm young enough. I'm tough enough. Son, I need you to have faith in me.
John Cena, now that's a guy. He'd probably make a great dad.
Ugh, he's so smug. He's so brawny.
Would you guys like a Pepsi? Oh my God, it's John Cena.
Oh, it's John Cena.
He would make a great husband.
And a great dad.
What?
Oh, goes without saying.
Oh, come on. How am I going to compete with John Cena?
Oh, you can't.
Can I have a Diet Pepsi? I'll take what's in your hand to be respectful.
It's a Diet Pepsi.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be a while.
I'm telling you right now, son and sweetheart, if John Cena was here, I would kick his ass.
The sound of a limousine breaking down. Footsteps approach the door.
Awesome. Who could that be at this hour?
Then a doorbell.
Ding dong. Oh, I hope it's that UPS guy. Oh,
My limo broke down outside.
John fucking Cena! It's you! Oh, be my dad. Be my dad. You want some Diet Pepsi?
Sure.
Hold on, I got some stuff to show you.
Oh my God, it's John Cena here.
Really cool stuff.
I am so not sorry I did that.
I got all the John Cena cards. I've been sent away for this one, and it's got your name on it.
I remember that one.
It's in Sharpie. John Cena, my dad said that he said that if your limousine ever broke down, you showed your fucking face, he was gonna beat you up.
that's not really an exact quote.
No, it isn't. He said he'd kick your ass.
In this corner, we have John Cena, and then WWE champion of the world, and in this corner, we got Deputy Dad.
I'm not taking my pants off.
Thank you.
What kind of dad are you if you won't take your pants off for your kids?
Oh, I can take my pants off, John Cena.
Let's
Please
see it
don't.
then.
Whoever wins this match wins my heart as a kid.
I thought you threw that underwear out.
John Cena, I didn't say you could use tables or chairs. Disqualified! Cena and his nuts. Come on, Dad. Let's go watch TV.
Yeah.
You know, you're all right after all.
Thanks, son.
John, I fixed the limo.
Oh, hey, limo driver. It's gonna be about 45 minutes.
Really?
Sir,
What are you gonna do
can I
with
call
that?
dibs on that Diet Pepsi, or?
Sure, I'll get it for you out of respect. I think my mom has a thing for John Cena.
I think we all have a thing for
You do too? Like in a limo driver way?
Yeah, of course, he's John Cena. He's like the most respectful person I've ever driven around. Respect, that's...
I just really appreciate if you take a left.
Oh, we see the limo driver has a custom hat.
The custom hat has lenses that would drop down over his eyes, but they're currently up at the front of the hat.
And when we say lenses, it's not just one pair. It's like 6 different shades and thicknesses, so you can just flick them down whenever you like.
Hey, Randy. I brought some books on the cart. Do you want to read something?
Okay. It's a large print.
Yeah, I'll put it through the bars. You want me to just drop it near your leg?
Put your arm all the way in.
Hold on. The warden's coming.
Hello, warden.
Hello. What's going on? Here.
Trying to get a book.
Daddy, thanks for bringing me to work today. Hi.
Hey.
Well, son, now you're going to see how we give books out. So we can.
I can give him a book. Here.
Hey!
We'd like to have more like this.
Whoa!
Than's for the book, kid.
No
This
problem.
is the strongest man in the prison. He's never gonna let go of your hand, kid.
What if I tickle him? What if I tickle him? Who's ticklish? Who's ticklish? My daddy's ticklish.
I will eat your face.
You're so funny. Faces aren't for eating. They're for making faces.
There we go. There
Ah!
we go.
Electricity travels through different human bodies, Dad. I'm 4 and I know that. Apparently.
Sometimes you just you just gotta use electricity.
I'm just gonna look at this guy funny some more and see what happens.
Your dad ever tell you why I'm in here?
Nope.
No.
He doesn't talk about work at home.
Hey man, this is just a liquor store. Don't kill everybody.
You looking at?
Hey, Dad, thanks for bringing me to work.
Know something, Tina?
I'm hungry.
We're all hungry, Tina. It's part of starving.
As long as I'm doing it right.
You know, honey, sometimes if you leave your mouth open, the bugs will fly in. You get a few grams of protein.
I'm a vegetarian. Can't eat bugs.
Honey,
any bug that flies in your mouth. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna sleep at night. I'm just gonna lose my damn mind.
Excuse me, is this the sheriff's office? Hi.
Yeah.
I got a cart full of potatoes, and my cart's broken down. So, I don't know what to do with these potatoes. Or taters, as we call them.
Who's we?
Me and my son, he's at the cart. It's...
Hey, Dad!
There we go.
I left the cart behind.
It's bring your son to work day, and I work as a tater delivery man.
I'm gonna be one too.
Yeah. I'm
Sheriff, you're a good guy?
What kind of potatoes are they?
Oh, all kinds of potatoes, but all vegetarian.
Those are the best kind. Could we trouble you for 5 or 10 pounds?
Depends on what the sheriff says. Does the sheriff want you eating vegetarian potatoes?
I'd rather just pass.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a great
See
day.
you. Thanks for bringing me
All right,
that.
son, let's fix that cart.
Okay.
Oh, here it is, the problem. Oh, it's
You're spiteful. Spiteful as hell. You won't eat a bug, I won't eat a potato, or let you eat a potato.
All right. I'll eat a bug. And when I do, I'll regret it. For my whole life. Every time I look at you.
Order, I got one for you.
All I did was look at you funny.
Is this still alive?
I think so. Tickles.
Hi, welcome to the gates of heaven. I'm just gonna...
Are you St. Peter?
Sure am. You can call me Pete. Let me just flip through your sins here. Pretty good. Not much sinning going on here in 1885.
Very chaste.
Oh. It says here that you ate one of God's creatures. He does not like that. So, thanks for coming in.
I got a really good feeling this time, St. Petey.
Okay. Well, that's the rule. If you're in, you're in.
Am I in that book?
Are you ticklish?